Welcome to Everygod, your go-to channel for all things 3D wallpaper, vast decor, and amazing wallpaper designs. I'm your friendly host, and today I have an exciting showcase for you. Get ready to be amazed. But before we begin, I need your help. Like this video and comment after each design and let us know your favorite one. Don't forget to share our channel and videos to support us. And now let's dive into the 3D wallpapers. Imagine walking into a room that feels like a tropical paradise with lush forests and sparkling waterfalls right on your walls. Or picture yourself exploring the vastness of space with stars and galaxies that seems to come alive with real wallpapers. Your imagination knows no bound. Each design tells a unique story from elegant patterns to a vibrant landscape scenes. There is something for everyone's taste, like having your own personal art gallery at your home. So which design speaks to you? Share your thought in the comment after each design. We cannot wait to hear your favorites. Now let's explore a variety of stunning wallpaper designs that will transform your space from intricate patterns to bold geometry. These wallpapers add personality and style to any room. Imagine a living room adorned with mesmerizing design that sparks conversation and leaves a lasting impression. Or a picture of a bedroom with a sleek and modern wallpaper that creates a peaceful sanctuary. With this wallpaper, your space becomes an expression of your unique taste. Which design caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. We love having your opinions. But wait, there is more. Let's talk about vast decor. These little wonders add a touch of charm and playfulness to any space. You can also decorate your bedrooms, your living rooms with stickers, with vast stickers. You can put any type of vast stickers on the walls. How would you use one sticker to add fun and personality to your space? Share your creative ideas in the comment below. We cannot wait to hear from you. As we wrap up the showcase, I hope the designs have sparkled your creativity and inspired you to transform your walls. Remember to like, comment, and share to support us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing design ideas. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of 3D wallpapers. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of 3D wallpapers, captivating designs, and wall stickers. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep decorating.